This is the actual trophy itself. The real McCoy.
So has this been the only one since the first race?
163.
And what's it?
162 years.
Solid? How heavy is it?
What's it made of?
Sterling silver.
Sterling silver.
This is carbon fiber.
I was going to say, and where was it made?
It was the Queen's
Original trophy.
So has England ever... Okay, jump in quick. So, did you have to know?
You just know this.
It's part of the process.
Yeah, that's great.
Get you in front of the cup, man.
I know, this is great. Thank you so much.
I didn't know they had the real one here. I thought it was a replica.
Did you hear who made it?
No.
It was made in England by the Queen's jeweler 162 years ago, Queen of England. And England has never had this.
Gotten it back.
Never.
They've never owned it at all?
Never owned it at all.
Oh no, that's terrible.
Poor England.
Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Wow. So it's ours right now, right? That's why it's here.
That's right.
And so we're defending to keep it. Excellent. Do me a favor. Do me a favor and catch me in front of that cup trophy.
How do I do it?
It's already running.
Okay.
See the fuel finder? It's already recording.
Okay, okay.
All you gotta do is just...
All right, I'm on it. All right, here we are. This
Real
is it.
McCoy. This is the real McCoy. It's not a fake or a reproduction. It's the real thing. America's Cup trophy. All right. What did he say?
162 years.
162 years. And it's ours right now. All right, thank you, sir.